अमेरिका ने अपनी कंट्री रिपोर्ट्स ऑन टेररिज्म 2016 में पाकिस्तान को आतंकवादियों को पनाह देने वाले देशों की लिस्ट में शामिल किया है। भारतीय विदेश मंत्रालय के इस रिपोर्ट से भारत के उस रुख की पुष्टि होती है कि जिसमें वहां से फैलने वाला आतंक को वैश्विक चिंता का विषय बताया गया है। विदेश मंत्रालय के प्रवक्ता गोपाल बागले ने कहा है कि अंतर्राष्ट्रीय समुदाय इस मामले में भारत के साथ है। साथ ही उन्होंने कहा है कि पाकिस्तान आतंकवाद फैला रहा है।
It's a question with a very wide canvas. If you really see, I would like you to go back to the joint statement that we had with the United States on counterterrorism after the visit of the Prime Minister. And it's not only a question of words. And we are on the same page here. I mean, we means you, me, and India and United States, because what we are saying here is just not words. You see the joint statement. There was recognition that terrorism is a global scourge. It's a menace that needs to be fight. We had resolved to fight it together. There was a specific mention of Al Qaeda, ISIS, Jaish-e-Mohammed, Lashkar-e-Taiba, and the call on Pakistan to ensure that its territory is not used to launch terrorist attacks on other countries. And there were other details also there. What we have seen also is a number of bilateral measures that US has taken or proposes to take vis-a-vis Pakistan in this regard. And then, of course, you are aware, while the Prime Minister was in Washington, and on the day that we had talks with the President Trump, Syed Salahuddin was designated as a global terrorist by the United States. United States has made a request along with other countries for Maulana Masood Azhar to be listed under the relevant UN Sanctions Committee. So there are a number of steps, Ramesh, which are being taken here, both by the United States in consultation and coordination with India, and also with other countries, because the terrorism emanating from this particular source, as I have said just now, is a global concern. It contributes to the global menace of terrorism very largely and substantially. Now, there is also the fact that, I mean, if you look at the India section of the report of the State Department on terrorism, which was brought out yesterday, you would see that how much cooperation is there listed between United States and India on counterterrorism, and also on enforcing financial measures, etc., regarding terrorism. So there is obviously a great deal of cooperation which is going on between the two countries, which results into specific actions and outcomes.
गौरतलब है कि अमेरिका ने हाल ही में पेश की गई अपनी रिपोर्ट कंट्री रिपोर्ट्स ऑन टेररिज्म 2016 में पाकिस्तान को आतंकियों के लिए सुरक्षित पनाहगाह बताया है। रिपोर्ट में कहा गया है कि LET और JEM जैसे समूह उस देश के अंदर काम कर रहे हैं और आतंकियों को प्रशिक्षण तथा उनका वित्त पोषण कर रहे हैं। NMF न्यूज की रिपोर्ट।